Hey guys, and this is me, Flow Gamer, or Lawrence as you might want to call me. I've got a video of me trying to build a PC. It's going to be a little series. I know it sounds stupid because every time I go to do a series I only do one part. I'll do a second part and that'll be the end of those series if I don't do them. So it'll just be me dying. So I've got this video to show you that I'm building a PC. These are my parts I've got so far. I've got my power supply, as here. And I got my motherboard, it's here. And I'm just going to go through them and show, give them a little bit of specs. I don't know what I got. It's Christmas, Merry Christmas by the way. So I haven't bothered reading the books. Okay, so let's go with my power supply. This is a OSX gaming power supply. There's my brother. Say hello. Okay, he's playing Skyrim.
Cut me out, please.
Great game. Okay, this is my gaming power supply. Sorry if I haven't got good camera angles. I'm a rubbish cameraman. So it's a 550 watt game supply, fatality it says in there. Nice, it's modular, so it's pretty cool. So I can just have any connectors I want, not just them laying around. It has 4 SATA connectors, CPU outputs, and it has one motherboard connector, which is a bit obvious because you don't want 2 motherboards, do you? That'd be a bit weird. Okay, it's my phone. I don't know why it's on. Yeah. Leopard print background. Here's the box for the power supply. Here's a little bag. Looks like a wash bag, but it's got a nice little mesh cover on, so you can keep all your cables in. There's the cable there, power supply connector cable. I don't know. Just plug it into the mains. UK mains. Got a little book. And you've got a little piece of paper. Okay, yep. Switch that back in. It's the front of the box. Oh, it also lights up when you turn it on, but that's only when the whole computer is on, not only when you have it plugged into the mains. So let's move on to the motherboard. This is a MSI Z77A G43 gaming motherboard. It is a military grade motherboard. I don't know what that means, but it's a pretty cool motherboard. It cost me £100. Well, it cost my mum £100 because it was a Christmas present. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It's got 4 RAM connectors. I'm going to have possibly a Crossfire with AMD graphics cards. The one I'm getting is a HD 7770, which I've looked at some reviews for it. It's a pretty good not motherboard, graphics card. Sorry, I get confused. So it's got a nice sticker here saying about SSDs. Okay, take that little tip, connect your SSD. Something about the port 1 to port 2. Okay, so you've got your 6 SATA connectors there. Oh, lovely quilt. Okay, and then we've got the CPU cage. So just do that. Okay, so this is a 1155 socket. I think I'm going to get a Sandy Bridge chipset CPU. I'm just going to get a 3.2 GHz and hopefully overclock it in time. So that'll be good. And then hopefully I'll get water cooling after a year probably. So that'll be good. Everything will be good. And I've got this special thing, which I think, as it says on the box, if I just move the motherboard somewhere else, I'm probably handling it not so well. Goodbye motherboard. It says on the back of the box that has this certain thing called the Killer E2200, which is better for killing lag, and it gets rid of all that possible ping going higher or things like that, and slowing down your game, which can be pretty annoying if you're on Skype and you're playing, I don't know, Dawn of War or Team Fortress 2 or even Call of Duty. So yeah, it says military class. I haven't read that, so let's read that to you. Having passed the MILSTD, that's a bit weird, MILSTD 810G testing, the components used exclusively by MSI will ensure your system's stability even under the most demanding gaming scenarios. And it's got an SFC. It looks like KFC if you look on the motherboard. I'll show you. Let's go over to the motherboard. Where are you? Oh look, SFC. Oh, look at that. SFC. If you can see it, then you're pretty lucky, good boy or girl. Okay, there we go. Okay, so here's just the box. It looks like a pretty nice box. It's got pretty good packaging. I ripped out these SATA connectors of its packaging straight away, so it's pretty weird. Just put motherboard back. Forgot to touch a piece of metal before doing this video, so that's me ruining it. And then you got the back panel, which looks pretty cool because it labels what things are. So you got your HDMI connectors, you got your DVI, you got a VGA, and then you got your line out, line in, and you've got your mic and things like that. And then you got, and on the back here, it has got 2, 4, 6, 8 USB connectors, 6 of which are USB 2.0 and 1 of which is USB 3.0, and 1 Ethernet port, of course, 1 HDMI, VGA and DVI. So yeah, that's been a video from me. Nice book. It's a pretty good book, but yeah, been a video from me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next time, and Merry Christmas!